the nape of the neck. Okay, you can keep it. Are you comfortable? No problem. Now, for example, so you have to make the patient's part ready. For example, if the hairs are falling over his forehead, what you have to do? You have to do like this, and you put a strap, head strap. Okay. If there is if there is no strap available, head strap like this. Or else, if the straps are not available, you can use one towel only. So you make his head cover so that the hairs are not falling onto the forehead. Okay. And all other things are same, because so whenever the patient comes, you have to ask about the patient. You have to go for the diagnosing of the patient. Okay. So for example, if the patient comes to you with the facial palsy, you have to ask for side first. Which side, right side or left side? Any nerve injury. For example, you're coming to the exam, you have to ask for the side. You have to ask the detail about the patient, about the name, about the age, everything. You have to ask to me. Okay. And so we are going to start stimulation of face on the left side. You assume he's having. My hands are
Wet.
very cold. See my hand. It's very cold.
From this machine?
No, not from this machine. Because
I see.
cold weather. Okay. Yeah, but still it is coming.
After one.
Okay. So we are going to start stimulating the facial muscle one by one. Okay, from up to down. So what you have to do? We'll take a piece of gauze. Why do?
Make it dry. Make the skin dry.
Make the skin not dry, to clean. Clean the skin.
Clean.
To reduce the resistance of the skin.
Resistance,
For
yes.
example, so we are exposed to the environment, right? So exposing to the environment means exposing to the dust particle which is available in the environment. So all will get sedimented on your face. So you have to,
Reduce the resistance.
yeah, to reduce resistance, you have to clean the part. So you have to reduce all the resistance which is available. Okay, first is frontalis muscle or occipitofrontalis muscle. So you have to dip this also inside the water because of easy conduction. So you know the settings. F1 manual setting. You go. Sorry. Okay, you go for manual setting. You go for electrotherapy. Then you go for which? Faraday current is otherwise called as biphasic current. So the frequency could be 50 to 100. And what about the impulse? What about the impulse? The duration?
Duration from
3 seconds. From point 1.
0 to 100. Good. 0 to 100. Maybe you can say less than 100. Since there is no, 0 is not available here. It starts from 50. Okay. You can say less than. And then emission is 1. Time depending upon the muscle, number of muscle to be treated. Okay. Give start. Okay. So nothing will happen. Okay. So just you keep it. This is the point for stimulation of. So you have two muscles. One is on the right side, one is on the left side. So we are stimulating left side muscle. Occipitofrontalis or frontalis muscle.
You put it anywhere on the muscle.
No, it's the motor point of the muscle.
Yes.
Exactly the
motor.
point. Okay, you getting the current? Boom.
لا يربط كذا. سهل سهل. يومك يومك. يا حبيبي.
ما تحس فيه ها؟
شهيد ان شاء الله.
Getting the current?
تحس انك
Yes,
تلقى.
yeah.
حرام ولا كيف؟ ايوه
See?
اي مكان ولا لازم
Don't do that. Don't laugh, okay?
So this point
You can see? What did he say?
He said we have to put it here.
What did he say? What movement it does?
Raise,
It produces a
raises
horizontal ringing. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah, we can.
Horizontal ringing. It raises your eyebrows, okay?
It's a very-
Don't laugh, okay? Okay, it produces horizontal creases. Okay, ringing, that is called as. Okay, so this is a muscle called as occipitofrontalis or frontalis. And next muscle we are going to stimulate is corrugator supercilii. Okay, so this muscle is responsible for what? It brings your eyebrows downwards and medially. It produces vertical wrinkles.
What's the name of the muscle, doctor?
Corrugator supercilii.
It's between the eyes.
Between the eyebrows. Listen carefully. You getting the current? You can see the movement? You can see this now? See, it's going medially and downwards. See, now it's clearly visible. Visible?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so this is corrugator supercilii. So now you can see this redness, small redness here because of reflex vasodilatation, what I have told you. So next muscle we are going to stimulate is orbicularis, orbicularis oculi. Oculi means eye. So this is the point. So what it does?
Close the
Closing of
eyes.
eyes, eyelids. Okay, closing of eyes. Orbicularis. Orbicularis means the muscle which is of round structure. Orbicularis. Orbit. It's a orbit, round.
شو اسم العضلة؟ شو اسم العضلة؟
لا تختلف.
Getting the current?
توني مسجل.
See, he's closing. See,
شو اسم العضلة؟
closing.
ما تسوي تلعب علينا ما تسوي كله فيه.
See, he's closing, right?
Yes.
Good.
شيء غريب. حسب سويت
You can see it. Okay, this is
Just
orbicularis. Closing. Look, orbicularis. Oculi. Next is the muscle which we are going to stimulate is nasalis. Okay, nasalis, which does
Elevation.
elevation. You can do like this. Elevation of your nostrils. Yeah, are you getting current?
Yes.
If it is more, you tell me, okay?
Evet.
You can see? This elevation. Like this. Okay. So this is nasalis muscle. Okay, this is nasalis muscle. And next is
تصور
zygomaticus.
جهتك أفضل.
لأنه ما أعطاه.
Zygomaticus major. Okay, next is zygomaticus major. So where it is? In the pit.
Smiling.
Yeah,
Action.
smiling. Sorry.
تكسب أجل عزاز.
ابتسامة.
Okay, so it's in the this pit.
اللي عضل التصوير. What it does? It brings the angle of mouth laterally for smiling, like that. Okay, you can see. Don't laugh. Next time you will be the model. Okay, you can see that. So this is zygomaticus major. Okay, and next is
ممتاز.
mentalis muscle, orbicularis oris. Okay, so orbicularis oris. This is also orbicularis means full. It is placed in a roundabout manner. This round here. Okay, so you can stimulate anywhere, here or here. Okay, usually the motor pointers here. Okay, so it closes. Only one side of the muscle is working. That's why it is deviating to the one side. Otherwise, if both side muscles are working, you can see tight closure of your. Okay, see, it's going for closing. As if this muscle is otherwise called as kissing muscle. Okay, so this is orbicularis oris. And next muscle. Okay, next muscle is mentalis. So mentalis protrudes your lower. It will contract like this.
It's for sad people.
For protruding your lower lip. You can see?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah.
See. You can see the contraction? This is mentalis muscle. Now, this is about individual stimulation of the muscle. Okay, this is about individual stimulation of the muscle. And now we are going to stimulate the nerve trunk. Okay, nerve trunk in the sense when the facial muscle enters the face, it divides into 3 branches. Okay, there's a group muscle stimulation. So when a facial nerve enters the face, it divides into 3 branches like this. From here, it goes like this. Okay, so one branch is upper branch, middle branch, lower branch. So upper branch is otherwise called as frontal branch. The lower branch is otherwise called as maxillary branch. Middle branch is otherwise called as maxillary branch. The lower branch is called otherwise called as mandibular branch. So you have 3 branches. So if you want to stimulate these 3 branches, see, we are going to stimulate muscles in a group, as like upper trunk muscle, middle trunk muscle, lower trunk muscle.
3 point.
3 point. Okay, so one was this is upper trunk. You getting the current?
Yes.
See, you can see the group of muscles working. Okay, you have vertebral, you have eyebrows raising up, and as well as it goes medially. So all the muscles are getting. See now. See, So you get all combination of all muscle actions. Okay. Upper branch. Okay. Next is
All the three nerves will work together.
yes. And middle branch now.
كده حطينا
Middle branch.
صح؟ شو اسوي؟ نسوي زين.
Getting the Karan?
Yes.
Should not laugh. So this is group muscle stimulation. See, it's working. Huh? This is group muscle. See, when I was studying my baccalaureate, so when they started stimulating this, if somebody laughs, immediately they'll be sent out. Okay, so this is lower branch or mandibular branch.
Don't laugh.
Hassan, six pack Hassan. He's trying for his six packs. Every day he comes to the gym. See, you can see this. So this is the stimulation of lower trunk. There's no expression.
Oh, yeah.
You have, yeah. Okay, the whole the lower part of the muscles will work. Huh? This is lower trunk stimulation. So after individual muscle stimulation, we go for group stimulation. Upper trunk, middle trunk, lower trunk. Okay, clear with this?
You must put them in the organ of the muscle.
This is on one. See, if you want to stimulate individual muscle on motor point. Motor point. So you know what is motor point? Motor point is the point by which the nerve enters the muscle. The main nerve enters the muscle for its supply. Okay. So the whatever I have the point I have shown, you have to stimulate. So what we have done here is we have stimulated
Three group muscles.
nerves actually, nerve trunk stimulation. So nerve trunk means group muscle stimulation. That means you are stimulating a nerve upper branch, so that will cause contraction of all the muscle which is supplied by upper trunk. So you are stimulating middle trunk, so that will cause contraction of all the muscle which is supplied by middle trunk. You are stimulating lower trunk, that will cause contraction of the muscles which are supplied by the lower trunk. So that's why we are going for group stimulation. This is called as nerve trunk stimulation. So this is about facial nerve. Okay. So after this, what we do now? So usually after we do stimulation, what we do now? So this side there will be deviation, right? So what we do? We pull this side. We will put a strap like this and like this in a inverted Y shape. So to make it normal face look, to make it similarity, what we do? We take a elastic. Not elastic. It is adhesive tape. So we pull the muscle and we create a fold like this, and then we put a strap towards your eyebrows. Okay, and from here we put it like this. So it inverted Y shape. We put taping. See, like it's like a splint. We to maintain in a neutral position. So we do.
I put adhesive tape
We have
to
a
the
tape here. I will show you.
Doctor, I put adhesive tape to the damaged part or
No,
part of
not
the
the
face.
damage.
Stimulated one.
Actually, I told you splint. So in the radial, when I was taking about the radial, now I told you about the splint, right? Cock-up splint.
Yes.
Why do we use that? To maintain the wrist in neutral position. I've shown you a diagram which a person who is wearing a cock-up splint. It's like splint the muscles in that position. Okay, so this is it about facial nerve stimulation. You have doubts?